everyone! Welcome to Sam and Feng Cooking. In this video, I'll show you how to make this delicious lasagna soup. It's perfect for those days you crave lasagna but don't have time to make a traditional one. The soup has the same flavor but takes much less time to come together. To get started, chop 1 onion, then mince 4 garlic cloves, and grate 1 1/4 cups of mozzarella cheese. Get a large pot and add 1 pound of ground beef. Season with salt and pepper. Once cooked all the way, discard any extra fat if you have any like I did here. Now add the garlic, onion, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. Cook for 5 minutes or until the onions are cooked through. Add 4 cups of beef broth, a 14.5 ounce can of tomato sauce, and a 14.5 ounce can of diced tomato. Stir to mix and let this simmer for 10 minutes. Now break up 8 ounces of lasagna noodles into small pieces and add it to the soup. Cook the soup until the pasta is cooked through, 10 to 12 minutes or as directed on the noodles package. As the noodles cook, it will soak up some of the liquid, so feel free to add extra stock to make this a thinner soup. It's all up to you. And that's it! Add it to a bowl with a handful of the mozzarella cheese on top and garnish with basil. This soup tastes exactly like lasagna and you can easily add some vegetables in it like bell pepper, mushrooms, or spinach. Make it your own. Let us know in the comments below if you give this recipe a try. Thanks for watching! Bye!